Very good evening, my friends. How are you? Hope you guys are doing very well. And welcome on this new live trading video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. As usual, we need to start by showing off these amazing feedbacks and the happy messages from our members in the Premium Signals group. We can see this gentleman here. He have made 90 pounds in just 15 minutes using only 2 GBP trades. Now, why GBP? Actually, the GBP or the pound is moving like crazy this week. But still, Angela was able to nail it, and she did nail it actually. And the signals are all very profitable, and thankfully everyone is very happy. Even myself, actually, I'm surprised by Angela's performance on the pound. I told her to be careful, and she did. She was really careful, and she was wise in choosing her signals. This gentleman also, he said, Angela, what did you do with all the GBP? Like, what happened? Then he said he's very happy because he made $200 of profit. That's amazing. That's so nice. That is what I'm feeling happy to read, actually. This guy also is telling Angela that now he's satisfied to move to the live account. This one here also, he have made more than 200 pips of profit so far. This guy also sharing with us his trading history, and notice that most of them are on pound, and that was very good. This gentleman also want to say thank you to you and to Salah for providing these amazing signals. I'm really happy to see that. This guy also, and here this guy also saying Extreme Trader will milk Forex dry. This is the most appropriate word because your highly analyzed signals are just awesome, especially how GBP moved today. And actually, yes, indeed, Angela nailed it with the GBP signals this week. It was amazing, and I am more than happy, and I am more than proud, actually, to have Angela at my side to provide these amazing signals. The signals has definitely improved, much more than before in the past, and for that I am more than happy to see these members are satisfied and happy for joining the service. Please, my friends, if you wish to join the premium group, don't hesitate to contact Angela. You can find her Telegram link in the description of this video. Contact her today to join the premium group signals and give it a try. Believe me, it's gonna be awesome experience. So my friends, this is actually a mix of 20 pips a day strategy plus scalping on the 5-minute time frame. But again, I need to tell you, this works actually only with pound pairs. It doesn't work with any other pairs because on the 5-minute time frame for the pound, especially when it's moving crazy like that, because of the Brexit news, we can see here a small reversal. Look at this candle. One candle can give me actually like almost 20 pips of profit. A small reversal on any pound pairs, especially the GBP and ZD. Look at this one candle here. It gave me almost 20 pips of profit. That's why I really like to scalp the pound when it's going crazy like that. Let me explain to you. This style of trading on scalping 5-minute candles, it works only to be profitable with the pound pairs, only GBP pairs. If we go, for example, CAD JPY, if we are aiming 20 pips, look how far it's gonna be. Look at that. We need really like swing trading. We need a lot of movement, a lot of volatility on the market to get 20 pips from any other pair. Unlike the pound, a small reversal, actually, just a small one, is enough to give me the profit I'm seeking. So we will use now the strategy of 20 pips on 5-minute time frame on the pound, and I believe I'm going to place buy order right now, right here. Good. Allow me to explain the reason why did I place buy order here. Now we can see the candle actually moving down. I believe the general movement is going down, but however, we can see on the 5-minute time frame candles on the GBP and ZD that we have here a small support, which was also a strong support in the past and also a strong resistance. Meaning I just want a small reversal from this candle just like that to hit the previous resistance, and then it can peacefully move down to break this support level. Now look at this reversal, how many pips it's gonna give me. Look at that, almost 19-18 pips. That is what I'm after. So I'm not really after a lot of movement or volatility on the pound. I just want to get the small reversal, and that's enough. That's actually somehow binary options concept we are using here, but it's way more profitable, to be honest. So we place the buy order right here on the GBP NZD on this support here, and I'm going to set my take profit to be almost 20 pips. This is 14, 15, 18 pips should be fine. Yeah, look at that. I'm already in good profit now. So it's reversing. That is what I'm talking about. I'm just after this small bounce here to give me the profit I'm seeking. Let's check the other pound pairs. Now this one is still reversing. It's not really good idea to start buying or selling now this the pound here. You should know something actually, that when the pound is moving in one direction in one pair, most likely it will move in the same direction on all other pairs. Now that doesn't apply on all of the assets or all the currencies. Actually it works most on the pound. If you are selling pound, for example selling GBP, JPY, it's a good idea also to sell the pound on the other pairs. Don't buy and sell the pound at the same time. So I'm just waiting to get this small reversal here to give me about 17 to 18 pips of profit. And by the way, my friends, it's really important to mention, in these videos, I'm entering 3 or 4 or even 5 trades of the 20 pips a day strategy, but that is for educational purpose only. You do not have to do the same. Don't follow the 5 or 6 trades what I'm doing in these videos. Please, it's called 20 pips a day strategy, meaning it's just one trade only per day, not many trades. Just just open the Forex chart every morning and try to find these very trusted setups. Not any setups I'm talking about, just the really trusted setups you think it's gonna give you the profit trade. Don't enter a trade that maybe it will work, maybe it will not work, hopefully it will work, I'm praying to the God that this will work. No, don't do that. Just look for the setup that yes, this is definitely gonna work, and set your target to be 20 pips and your loss to be also 20 pips. Stick to it. For 1 week only. Stick to this kind of trading. Only accept one trade with a 20 pips target, either loss or profit, and accept it. First of all, you will start having good profit per week, and you will notice a remarkable improvement in your trading results. Second of all, you will not have to keep trading the whole day, and you will spend much less hours and time on in front of your computer to analyze the market. Using this style of trading is really nice for everyone, and I highly recommend you guys to give it at least 1 week. Just sacrifice it to enter one trade per day only, aiming 20 pips, and believe me, you will be amazed by the results you are gonna make. So now this is going in profit so far, and to not make this video so long, I will pause the video until I find another trade so I can show it to you, my friends. Okay, look at that. The pair went down, or the price actually went down again to my entry point. That is good idea now to start looking for another buy order so I can make more profit from the pound. And let's see something here. On GBP CAD, the pair is almost on a previous support level. Right here, I think this is the right level. Yes, just like that. So what we can see here on the 5-minute time frame, that we have here a support, which was a resistance in the past, and it was also a support and a resistance. So this level is good, and I believe we can start buying the GBP CAD at the moment. Just let me be sure. I think that should be fine. Yeah, should be fine. Now let's look for another pair, and by the way, I'm just focusing only on the pound pairs. GBP CHF also good for buying here. Now the reason is we can see that we are now approaching a previous resistance, and it was also a strong, not a strong, it was a support in the past as well. So it's really good to start scalping the pound like that. Guys, we are just after small reversals. Again, I'm telling you, I'm not telling you that the market will jump and go up for 100 or 200 pips. I'm just after 20 pips only. Look at that. The market is moving up. Very good. It's giving me the profit I'm seeking. Let me set my take profit now. And 15 pips. That should be fine. because this is the nearest resistance and I don't want to go against my rules. Now we are actually making some good profits. This one also, let me set the take profit to be almost, yeah, 16 pips. Should be fine as well. This one and this one, the take profit has been set, and we are now in profit again. That is very small, not small, I mean, this is very basic analysis on the 5-minute time frame, and it's really good for scalping. I really advise you to try it, my friends. And again, it works only with the GBP pairs, not all the pairs, because they are, if you do this with the Euro USD, for example, it's not really gonna give you that profit you are seeking. It will work, but it's not gonna give you the profit that worth the wait and the analysis. Only the pound pairs really very profitable. And look at that, yeah, $50, $60 has been made in just 8 minutes. That's so cool. I'm thinking to close the trade, but I cannot because I'm recording and this is supposed to be a 20 pips a day video. So let's wait some more time. And again, I will pause the video right now and I will show you later what will gonna happen with this reversal. Just pause for 2 seconds and I'm already in good profit. Look at that, all the I will close it actually. I will close it because the target has almost been reached and I don't want to be greedy. 10 pips from this trade also has been, that's fine. I mean, don't be greedy, my friends. I'm telling you this is 20 pips a day strategy, but also I don't want to be greedy and I don't want to lose any money here. Let's see what will gonna happen now with this trade. Let me try if I can enter another one. Actually, all of the, notice something, that all of the pound pairs very similar setup. It's very similar. Check the last 3 candles on the actually all of the pound pairs. They are almost the same on all of the pairs. Do you see that? Very cool. So it is really important for you to understand that the pound GBP at this time is very nice to trade it. I really highly recommend you guys take this opportunity to start trade the pound. I have made in short time almost $70, very short time, very nice scalping. That is what I love about scalping, is making these decent profits with matter of no time actually. So now let me pause the video again and I will show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Actually, we have to hit the target, but I always want, because guys, this is my money here, okay? So I just want to be always safe, and I think I will just close it with the profit. And let's see. Actually, it's really important. Now, okay, we finished with the live trading. We are done with the live trades now. Now it's really important that I have to explain to you the concept of how to use this strategy. Now, what you need to look for is of course, the bigger time frame. So we can see right now that we are on a resistance level on the 4-hour time frame. Now that is good, but however, keep in mind that the pair is continuing to go more and more up. The bullish momentum is so strong. I don't think that the pound will actually break down. Did I say break down? Break out, sorry, from this resistance. There is a reason for that. If we look at the monthly chart, now, sorry, I mean, yes, this one, sorry, the GBPUSing. If we look at the GBPUSing on the monthly chart, we can see that this bullish momentum started right here, and now we are approaching a strong resistance. And remember, I'm on the monthly chart, so we can see here that the price has reached this level here, which was a previous support, and here it was also a previous support, and it was a strong resistance, meaning the pound doesn't seem like it's gonna continue its bullish momentum at the moment. That's why it's really we have to be careful, and just don't judge it immediately. Don't think that you can start selling the pound at the moment, because look at the 4-hour chart. You still have resistance level here. It might actually go a little bit more up at this level, then you can start scalping the pound and sell it. Selling it is really not a good idea. We are just analyzing to know that it's actually now on a resistance level on the monthly chart. Therefore, going to the 5-minute chart, what we can see here is a trend keeping its momentum to go more up. So the winner actually now is the bulls. The bulls are controlling the market. They are taking the pound and the upwards, and therefore what we need to look at the 5-minute time frame is the support levels. So after analyzing the chart on the bigger time frame, to know that most likely it is going up, we need to look at the 5-minute time frame and start analyzing where is our support levels. So looking at the 5-minute time frame, we can see that we had here a support level which has become a a resistance, and this resistance has become again a support level. And again, the bulls are controlling the market. That's why we need to look for the buy orders or the support levels. Now someone will come to me and tell me, but Salah, you are against your rules. You tell us to never sell, or sorry, to never buy on the resistance level. So you are on a resistance level. Why are you buying? Because guys, this is pound pair. This is GBP. It's moving like crazy, and actually not all the strategy, or how can I say that? The GBP at the moment is moving based on the momentum and the news of Brexit, and that's why the strategy of the hit and run doesn't really apply on this pair. That is what you need to understand. That's why Forex is all about experiencing the market for a long time, to understand that the strategy, no matter how strong it is, it cannot be applied on any pair, no matter what the pair is. Always you need to follow the market, follow the market makers. What is happening? The market is going up, let me go up with it. This market is moving up because of the Brexit news, and we have to follow it and go along with it. We cannot just sell the market on any other pair, on any other setup. We need to be careful to look only for the buy orders at the meantime. That's why I'm not entering another trade, because I think the market is now going to continue to move more up. However, I don't want to make this video so long. I just wanted to share with you the experience of how we can do this 20 pips a day strategy on the 5-minute time frame on the pound pairs. Please guys, remember, this is working only on the GBP pairs, not any other one, not any other pairs. And always analyze the 4-hour chart and just look at the momentum, how is it going, and go along with it. The pound doesn't seem to be going down at the moment, therefore we need to look for buy setups. Now, for example, you might tell me, why don't you just buy the pound? It is wrong. Don't buy it like that. The next level actually to start buying the pound, in my opinion, is gonna be on, let me tell you, this support here. Most likely because we have here a single attempt of this support, which was also a support in the past. There is a chance for the pound to go down here before hitting this level, and then it's gonna reverse to continue moving up. This small reversal here is gonna be almost 27 pips, and that's a lot of money and pips. So again, I don't want to make this video so long, my friends. In the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.